The 3-second rule to become a leader among friends. Have you ever wanna be a good and great leader among your friends? The person everyone listens to, follows and respects. Wanna be that? Well, there's a simple trick that changes everything. So if you wanna know the trick, watch this video to the end. Let's dive in. The 3-second rule is simple. Whenever you have an idea, decision, or action in mind, do it within 3 seconds. Don't overthink, don't hesitate, just act. Think about it. Most people lose opportunities because they hesitate. They think, what if I say something wrong? What if they don't like my idea? But leaders don't wait. They take action fast. Why it works? It works because of a simple reason. Your brain loves to overthink. If you wait too long, doubts and fears can take over. But if you act in 3 seconds, your brain doesn't have time to take fear. For example, if you want to speak up in a group, don't wait. Count 1, 2, 3 and do that. Want to introduce yourself to someone? 1, 2, 3 and go. The more you do this, the more confident you'll become. Here are 3 powerful ways to use this 3-second rule to become a leader. So, let's know what they are. Speak up. When you have an idea in a group, say it within 3 seconds. People will see you as confident and decisive. 2. Making decisions. Leaders don't hesitate. When choosing something, decide fast. 3. Taking action. Want to join in a conversation? Raise your hand. Act before doubt kicks in. Let's say you're in a group and you want to suggest an idea to others. Instead of thinking, say, should I say it? They see you as the one who takes the lead. And over time, they naturally follow you. The 3-second rule is a small change that makes a big impact. Try it today. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel and so you won't miss the next video. Take care.